Okay, I need to do that all over again. Hello, my name is Grace Blanche, and this is my career plan PowerPoint. My future job that I want to be is a counselor or a therapist. And some attributes that fit this job is you need to be patient, a good listener, understanding, non-judgmental, approachable, friendly, smart, and relatable. And I thankfully have all of those attributes. The required education to be a counselor or a therapist is have a psychology major as an undergraduate. And knowing this, I am studying psychology with a minor in marriage and family because I am very interested in how a relationship can influence behavior. And I also need to go to graduate school and get a PhD. The reason why I'm studying psychology is I have personally gone through a lot of mental problems and I have been mentally unstable. And thankfully, I have overcome those roadblocks and uh, get on the right path. And with this personal experience, I want to help people who are struggling and share what I have learned through going through these struggles. And I also have been very interested in how the brain works and what motivates people to do things. And what strikes my interest in this is watching crime shows and like forensic shows because I am very interested in what motivates people to kill people. And this would be an example of social work from the chapter. And thank you.